Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on a screensaver on Android phone. Okay, to turn on the screensaver on Android phone, first of all, we have to open our settings application. So tap on the settings application, then just open the display setting. This one, tap on the display setting, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the screensaver option. This one. Just click on it. Then here you can select the type of screensaver you would like to apply to your Android phone. You can select colors, photo table, photo frame, or photo from your Google Photos. And I'm just going to select colors. So we can tap on colors. We can display the preview. Just click on preview. Okay. And this is the preview of the screensaver. Then I'm just going to go back. Okay, then after that we just need to go back. Then the screensaver will be displayed on your phone while your phone is charging. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate or turn on the screensaver on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.